Destructor. Today we are going to speak about the topic destructor. What is a destructor? Destructor. This is also a member function which deletes the object. When it is called automatically when the compiler the object goes out of the scope. That is, destructor is an opposite to constructor. Constructor. What is known as a constructor? Constructor is created as if as a class name. What is the class name? The class name constructor are created and constructor can be created with arguments or without arguments. So opposite to that is destructor. That is the created object is destroyed by the destructor. It is also a member function. A destructor is also a special member function like constructor. Destructor destroys the class object created by constructor. So what object created by the constructor? It is destroyed by the destructor. The destructor has the same name as their class name preceded by. So how we will be creating constructor? What is the class name? With the same class name we will create constructor as if same as the destructor also created with the class name, but preceding the tilde symbol will be there before the destructor name. Next, it is not possible to define more than one destructor. So constructor can be created many constructor with arguments, without arguments, but destructor can be created only one, not more than one destructor. The destructor is only one way to destroy the object created by the, and it cannot be overloaded or. Next, destructor neither requires any arguments nor returns any value. That is, in constructor only we have with arguments and without argument. Here destructor does not need any arguments. It is automatically called when the object goes out of scope. That is what the object is created by the constructor. When it goes out of scope, it is automatically called. So as soon as the destructor deletes the that is deletes the object, it releases the memory space occupied by the object. When the object is created, in destructor object are destroyed in the reverse of the object creation. What are the properties? Already we have seen, same only here also. Destructor function is automatically invoked when the object is destroyed, as already explained. Then it cannot be declared as a static or constant. Then it does not have arguments, it does not have return values, even void also it does not have. Then an object of class with the destructor cannot become a member of the union. That it is not a member function. Then a destructor should be declared only in the public section, and the programmer cannot access the address of the destructor. These are the properties of the destructor. What is the syntax? The destructor can be declared within the class or outside the class. Within the class means just we have to give the tilde operator class name, some instructions going to be there. Outside the class means we have to mention that class name from which class name we have to mention after that some instruction is followed. When does the destructor get called? It is called automatically when the object goes out of scope. That is when the function ends or program ends, or the scope parenthesis containing local variables, or the delete operator is called. Next, destructor are different from normal member function. That is, a destructor is different from normal function. Why it is? Destructor same name of class but is preceded by the tilde operator, have no arguments, no return values, but member functions will be like this. Example program. Example program. Here class test. In public we are giving the user defined constructor test cout constructor executed. After that what we are doing there, we are creating the constructor. At the second point we are declaring the destructor. So this is the test is an class name. So we are creating the destructor. After the destructor executed in main by using the object it is called means. So output will be constructor executed and destructor executed. Thank you.